Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Marcelina Ilda, and here I will present material about performance appraisal system, the need to focus on employee engagement by Beatrice Mosa Kunde. Okay, first the material is introduction. According to Kondrasuk 2012, a performance appraisal system is one that incorporates the following components: the definition of the employee's expectation and professional goals, the employee's actual performance, the appraisal of the performance appraisal feedback, which includes suggestions for future improvement, and lastly, the definition for the employee's expectation and goals for a new appraisal period. And according to Armstrong 1996, the PA or performance appraisal position serves as a tool for anticipating what employees inside the business must do to fulfill job objectives and takes on the new challenge. PA offers an excellent chance to formally acknowledgement for workers' accomplishment and service to the company, as well as to make sure that a clear connection is made and kept between work output and compensation. Reward, reward, rewarding performance and addressing shortcomings is one of PA's main goals. And according to other authors, Davis 2001, Dennis 1996, and Wang Wuri 1996 and 1995. PA, PA are widely employed in most organizations and are a crucial component of many decisions made in modern organizations. And just 3% of business said that their overall performance management system provide expectational value according to the 2013 Global Performance Management Survey. The study demonstrates that the typical PA used by most organizations today is ineffective and has flawed performance and could lead to a drop in it. The study recommends close cooperation, coaching, professional growth, and enabling others to achieve great things. And in Tanzania, the Open Performance Review and Appraisal System, or OPRAS, was introduced in all ministries, department and agency, regional secretariat, and local government authorities to enable proper and more effective use of human resources. And the next material is related studies. The confidential appraisal mechanism was eliminated as a result of the implementation of OPRAS. Under the OPRAS system, each public employee is required to sign a personal performance agreement with their immediate supervisor which outline their annual performance goals. The goals, target, performance standard, and resources needed to carry out the performance agreement are all included in the performance agreement. The foundation of staff PA is the agreement. Okay, So, purpose of study. Employees that are engaged in the process feel respected, valued, and view the process to be fair. According to a number of studies on the subject that have been done elsewhere. Thus, the goal of this study was to determine whether the PA system in place currently works. This study specifically aimed to address the following question: does the PA in place inspire staff to enthusiastically accomplish organizational goals? Additionally, the study gathered data with the goal of enhancing Tanzania's present PA system with an emphasis of staff participation. Okay, for the next material is material and method. And in the material and methods, have three topic, and the first participant. Two organizations in Dar es Salaam dan Tanzania Commission for AIDS and Kinondoni Municipality carried out the study. The choice of the research region was motivated by the length of time these organizations have been using OPLAS, dating back to 2005. 2005. 5 line managers and 25 subordinates from each organization were selected using the possibly random sampling technique, resulting in a total of 60 responses. And the next, data collection instrument. In order to obtain a deeper understanding of whether the usage of PA encourages staff to enthusiastically accomplish organization goals, interview were done with 10 specifically chosen line managers from Takait and Kinondoni municipality. Two questionnaires, quantitative information about line managers' abilities to involve staff members and trouble spots in the present evaluation system was acquired. Other study was also carried by looking over a number of documents regarding the adoption and use of OPLAS at Takait and Kinondoni municipality. And the last is data analysis. The qualitative data was analyzed using context analysis, which grouped the response places according to their assigned predefined terms. Using the statistical package for the social science, descriptive statistics were used to evaluate quantitative data, yielding response frequencies and percentages. As a result, triangulating the data from the study of both quantitative and qualitative data allow for the application of the findings to the research question. All ethical guidelines were followed, including those pertaining to response anonymity and a letter of authorization from the employer for data collection. Okay. This is a table first table, and years of work, and frequency and percent. Years of work 0 to 5, frequency is 37 and 74%. And the next 6 until 10 and frequency 5 10%. And the next 11 until 15 frequency 7 frequency and 14%. And the next 20 plus and 1 frequency and 2%. And for the all total is frequency 50 and the percent for the total percent 100%. So so in this table it was found that by time of conducting the study 37 and 74% respond had worked for the studies organization for the period between 0 and 5 years, and this is followed closely by 11 until 15 years. The person is 14, and a few who have worked about 15 years. 15 years. At the same time, all employees fill out the PA forms as it is mandatory for all MDAS and LGS to introduce OPRAS and make it operational. Response indicate that they usually set objectives at the beginning of the year, review at mid-year, and evaluation is conducted at the end of the year. And according to them, the result of the OPRAS determine their promotion and other benefit. Okay. Next. Okay, for the next this is the second table. In the table is manager skill, highly skill, moderately skill, and marginally skill. For the first, setting SMART goals. Highly skill is 10 and the percent 20%. For the moderately skill is 18 for the person, 36, and the marginally skill is 22 and the person 44%. For the next, gathering information on employees' performance. For the highly skill is 8 and 16%, and moderately skill is 20 and 40%, and the marginally skill is 22. For the person is 44%. For the next is linking individual performance to organizational performance. For the highly skill is 10 and for the percent is 20. For the moderately skill is 13 and 26%, and the marginally skill is 27 and the percent is 54. For this percent is 54. And the helping candid dialogue with employees is for the highly skilled 4 and the percent is 8 and moderately skilled is 45 and 70% and marginally skilled is 1 and 2%. For the last is provide career development, coaching and direct employees. For the highly skilled is 4 and 4 and 8% and moderately skilled is 11 and 22% and the marginally skilled is 35 and the percent is 70. So result in this table, result from the table is line manager skill in engaging subordinates. For VA to be effective and efficient, it requires inter alia managerial adequate skill. A common deficiency in a PISA system is that the evaluators seldom receive training on how to conduct effective evaluation. Unless everyone evaluating performance receive training and the art of giving and receiving feedback. The process can lead to uncertainty and conflict. As such, a respondent were asked to rate their immediate supervisor skill in implementing the PA or OPRAS process. Generally, respondents posited by that immediate supervisor were practically responsible for appraising their subordinates but were surprisingly not adequately skilled in operationalizing the activity. For instance, manager are marginally skilled in providing career development and coaching employees is 70%. And similarly, respondents indicated that their supervisor have moderate skill is 90% for conducting candidate with with employees. As indicated elsewhere, open dialogue with employees is fundamental in making employees perceive fairness and satisfaction with the process, thereby motivating them. And additionally, the study show supervisor marginal skill is 54% in linking individual performance to organizational performance. Uh, Several authors, according to Henrik 2007 and Lau 2007, a discussion on career development and opportunity for choosing employees. Okay, next is the study findings suggestion that PA might not be a magic bullet for evaluating worker performance and helping managers make a managerial choices. choice, especially ones that will raise staff morale. The studies that clearly show that 98 of concerns identified during the VA process are not addressed right away, and 88% of performance receive insufficient feedback, and 88 82% of evaluators of and performance do not challenging to accurately assess than others because of their abstract nature of immeasurable outcomes. Okay, the next material is discussion. This study, however, argues that despite the challenge of PA, it cannot be discredited uh, entirely. It could be refurbished by improving conversation that engage the employee, thereby boosting employee morale. For instance, need to give ongoing feedback and coaching designed to promote continuous employee development and engagement. This cannot uh, sit specifically as recipient of feedback, according to Christopher 2012, suggests the attention and effort need to need to be shift away from investing more time and resources identify and correcting weakness and towards identify ways in which the employee can make positive contribution, and thus with increased engagement one is likely to find out how employees are committed to the organization mission. Okay, the last is conclusion. The research question of this research study is as follows. Does the PA in place motivate employees to achieve organizational objectives when enthusiasm? To answer the question, the researchers started by looking at the ability of the line manager to engage employee in the appraisal process. Additionally, the study tried to ascertain whether or not the PA system in place motivates employees to work in enthusiasm by analyzing the problematic areas in the PA system. The study therefore uh, concludes that although PA is considered to be crucial to motivate employees, the current PA normally motivates employees to work with enthusiasm. On the one hand, the line manager's skill and ability to properly gather information on employee performance, link individual performance to organizational performance, have a candid dialogue with employees, and provide coaching is narrow. On the other hand, the problematic areas in the current PA system do not offer platform for boosting the morale of employees to work with enthusiasm. Okay, maybe some presentation about uh, about uh, performance appraisal system to need the need to focus on employee engagement. Uh, Maybe that's all. Thank you for your attention. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.